Hey guys, today's lesson's on finding the area of a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. Oh, 4 sides, 4 angles. It's a shape, right? Like a square, like a rectangle. Okay, so what is the area? Well, on the computer, I Googled area. It says it is the quantity that expresses the extent of a two-dimensional figure or shape. What? How about some 3rd grade lingo? It can be how much is inside the shape. So if you see my shape, square, rectangle. If you see that, you see the bold lines. But look at all the space inside. We can measure that space. We call it the area. So how do we find out how much is in there? Well, we take unit squares and we can lay them side by side. A unit square can stand for 1 inch by 1 inch. It can be 1 foot by 1 foot. It can be 1 yard by 1 yard. It can be any measurement you choose. But it's a unit. These are inches. So what I'm going to do is I lay them side by side so they touch. They cannot overlap, but they touch until I fill up that side. Then I can fill up again. I can even check the width here. And so then I have the length and the width. Ooh, that kind of starts to look like an array. Remember arrays? What did arrays go with? Was it multiplication? Yes. And when we made an array, when we studied multiplication, how did we find out how many, in this case, orange unit squares, were in the array? Can you remember? Array has to do with multiplication. Do you remember? So when we get it all filled, as close to perfect as we can, without overlap, thinking about arrays, I think there's so many going down and so many going across. Length times width. So how many unit squares are going down? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are going across? 1, 2, 3, 4. And in multiplication, what did we do with 5 and 4? Yes, we said 5 times 4 equals 20 unit squares. And how would we check that? Well, yes, we just count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 5, 10, 15, 20. So this rectangle has an area of 20 square units. We'll put that there. 20 square units. And that's how we find the area of a quadrilateral. See you later.